Hey everyone, it's me, Brittany. I wanted to quickly go through just the basics of the crease piece for you really quickly. Each crease piece cut crease creation kit comes with a handle and 6 crease attachments. As you can see from the inside, you have a left and a right round, a left and a right almond, and a left and a right wing, as well as the handle that you will be using for the crease piece eyeshadow application. So I just grabbed the left round piece and I am going to show you how to attach it to the handle. So on the back of each one of the creases, you have a reusable and washable adhesive. What this means is that if you get dust on it, if it happens to dry out a bit, you rinse it under warm water, just massage it a bit, and then let it dry completely. It might take about 15 minutes or so to dry, but let it dry completely, and then the adhesive is reactivated and you are good to use it. So each crease is manufactured with the adhesive on the back, and it is protected by this clear film. You'll see. You can peel it off, and here it is. So I know that this is super easy to lose, which is why here at Crease Piece we include in each one of our packages a set of replacement covers. So just to be clear, these aren't new adhesives. The adhesive will stay tacky, it will maintain its integrity, but in case you lose the clear film to protect it, we have included little white ones with the Crease Piece logo so you know exactly what it's for. So if you lose that clear film, just take one of these out of your package, cover it up, and you're good. So I always suggest covering up the adhesive for the reason that although it is a reusable and washable adhesive, it just helps maintain the integrity as long as possible. So now to attach it to the handle. So I am going to peel off the adhesive cover. So now I am going to apply the crease to the side which has the logo. So you can see that it fits perfectly on the inside. So once your desired crease is attached to the handle, you would just apply it to the part of the lid that you want covered. So what I like to do is I like to go right into my crease and then angle it down a bit, and then I apply my eyeshadow right over it. In the look that I created today, I used the almond crease attachment, in case you were wondering, and I've been getting a lot of questions about mono lids and about hooded lids. So essentially the crease piece is going to be creating the crease for you. It's going to be faking it for you. If you have hooded eyes, I would suggest applying the crease right above where your natural crease is. This way it's going to be faking and creating a new crease for you, and the same thing with mono lids. You are going to apply your crease piece where you want your new crease to be created. It's really that simple. I always suggest starting with your smallest brush and your darkest color, and then as your colors get lighter, gradually your brushes should get larger. To give you an idea of what my smallest brush looks like, so this is the tiny little tip of my smallest brush, just so that you have an idea. Because if I were to take a big brush with my dark color, I'm going to end up having really dark shades above my eyes, but the more small and concentrated the brush is, the more defined the crease is going to be, and then you can blend it out with your lighter colors. Every time after I'm done using my crease piece, I always wipe off with a makeup remover wipe the eyeshadow from the application. Then I remove the handle and recover the adhesive. And that's about it. It is really so simple to use, and I cannot wait to see all of the amazing looks that you guys create. Be sure to follow Crease Piece at the Crease Piece and tag us with #CreasePiece so we can repost your looks.